How to buy a straight talk cart online. Walmart is the primary and most reliable source for buying a straight talk cards online, offering digital delivery directly to your email after purchase. Use PayPal for a secure and convenient payment option on Walmart's platform. Upon purchase, expect an email with your straight talk card details. Check your inbox and a spam folder if you don't see it immediately. Be aware that some plans like the 35 US dollars and 45 US dollars cards may be temporarily unavailable on Walmart's website. You can also buy Straight Talk cards directly from the Straight Talk website, but prices may be slightly higher than Walmart's rates. Avoid unknown and unofficial websites claiming to sell Straight Talk cards. Note that dealing with refunds or activation issues through Straight Talk's customer service can be frustrating and time consuming. If you face activation issues, ensure the SIM card has been properly scanned, activated, and is compatible with your phone. Always double check the terms and conditions and compatibility of the card before purchase to avoid unnecessary complications. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.